Så er det også realistisk med at mega forpustet. Ja. Jo, husk det. Nu er de også startet.
Ej, hvor er det smukt.
Nu snakker man om det der.
Ja.
This is my Western Red Cedar, which is a bit frustrating for me because I've been trying for 2 years now to get this branch to sprout, but it doesn't seem to ever want to get anywhere. So yeah, I think I have to cut all these 2 branches off and then start the tree from here up, and it will just be an upright tree. Which is also nice. I don't have any of them, so it's okay, but it's just when you've used so many years trying to put this in the most sun and really try to make it grow, give it a lot of fertilizer, it just goes to all the other branches. I think I'll have to think about it for a little while more, because yeah, I'm not ready to make the big decision of cutting this off, and I might want to make a gin out of this one, so I think I'll just let it sit there and see what happens. I'll just do some pruning. that's it for now. I think I'll repot it in the spring. But I don't know, and then maybe I'll cut off these 2 branches. Maybe make a gin here. I'll have to see. Wait and see what the tree gives me. I find these Western Red Cedars very challenging because I feel like they don't really bud back. I feel like the branches are getting too long. We'll just have to see what happens. This next tree is my Japanese apricot, where I bought some seeds from eBay, 10 seeds, and I got 1 tree out of it. It's very nice. It has these green leaves with red edges. It looks very cool. Unfortunately, I don't think it's a flowering one with potential fruits, but some fruit trees tend to get fruits after a certain age, so maybe I'm lucky. What I want to do now is cut off these, I would say they're close to 1 meter long, lanky branches, because it's starting to lose a lot of the flowers down here. A lot of the leaves. I want to get some energy back into the lower branches, and I'll probably cut this one off. For now it's just going to be a sacrificial branch, but it's too close to the body and the ground. And this one actually also, because it's inside the elbow, which you don't want. It doesn't look good and pleasing to the eye. But I've got plenty of time with this one. It's still in very early development. But it's the good old prune back and let grow method I'm going to apply here, removing this top. And I'm going to try a new method here. I'm going to try breaking it so it looks natural. It's a bit more natural than that. Is some long shoots. Perfect. I'm also gonna take this branch off. It serves no purpose. It's just straight and soon unbendable. And that's it. Very quick and swift work, but that's bonsai as well. Sometimes you don't need to do that much work. If you work on your trees regularly, it's not, and definitely in the beginning phases, it's not that much work if you are trying to do as much as you can when it's in need. Like right now during the summer, because it's growing like amazingly much right now. But of course, when you have very old branches and very old tapers and very old trees, there's a lot more work, because every branch is important, and the ramifications and all the aspects in that. I'll get to that in 10 years, I guess. This is my little yew tree, which I am trying to turn into a root over rock, with 2 roots going from down, with 2 roots going on each side of this rock. It also needs a bit of pruning and rewiring, so the wire doesn't eat into the branches and the branches don't grow too much upwards. They need to grow down, because this is going to be the lower branches of the tree, so I need to fix that. I'm removing the needles I don't need as foliage to make the wiring easier. it's a neat little trick you can do, because sometimes the small branches get in the way of you doing a proper wiring job. Not much, but a little work.